Happy New Year, everyone! I'm super excited to show you what I received in my monthly wellness box from Young Living for January. Every time I start looking at ingredients and I start doing a little research on what the ingredients in those products do, it makes me really excited. I'm so thankful to have a company like Young Living with such high standards that provides us such amazing products. So let me show you what I got. So first of all, there were 5 oils that were free with my order this month. So all 5 of these were free for purchasing what else is in the box. So let me tell you a little bit about them. So the first one is geranium, and it has a really florally scent, of course. It's great for skin support. Geraniums have been used for centuries for regenerating and healing skin conditions, and it's also great for liver support too, which is kind of interesting. So the fragrance influence is one that gives feelings of peace and hope. So it's interesting because all of the oils have a fragrance, and so the fragrance is going to have more of an emotional impact. So there's multiple uses for everything. So the next one is orange, and citrus oils are cold pressed from the rind of the fruit, so everything else is going to be steam distilled, and every oil has a specific temperature, length of time, pressure. It's all very, very important that it's done properly for that plant so that it gets the most wide variety of chemicals out of that plant. So that's what gives all of these essential oils sort of their working power, is that synergy. So like orange is known for being high in limonene, and you can research what limonene is good for, but the limonene really needs that synergy of all the other chemicals in the product. So just removing one, which is what the scientists usually do, trying to study plants and foods, trying to figure out why they work and how they can make a synthetic version, they forget that element of synergy. So orange is great for the skin. A 1995 study by the Me University found that citrus fragrances boost immunity, induce relaxation, and reduce depression. So always think of your citrus oils too as your happy oils. So those are a lot of fun. Lots of different citrus ones. We've got orange. Tea tree. I don't really like the way tea tree smells, but it's such an incredibly versatile oil mainly from Australia. Historically, it was regarded as an antiseptic because of its high content of terpene-4 oil. Today, we use it for supporting healthy skin. So again, it's really high in one chemical, but that's not necessarily why it works so well. So very versatile oil there. And another one that has similar uses that's also from Australia is manuka. So manuka is great for the skin. It's also good for reducing stress and anxiety. And we have our magistrate, I'm not sure, mestrante, I think is how you pronounce it actually. I don't have this one. It's from Ecuador, and possible uses would be diffusing to support the lungs or applying topically for headaches. So again, if you have any reference books, you can look these up. There's lots more uses than the ones that I'm covering. We have to be a little careful that we're not claiming that they treat, cure, or do anything like that that the FDA doesn't allow. So those are the oils that were free this month. The next thing is the charcoal bar soap, and this is probably one of my favorite soaps from Young Living. So activated charcoal is going to naturally pull dirt and impurities from our skin, but yet leave it kind of moisturized without stripping that protective barrier that we have on our skin. So it's also good for people with oily skin to use on your face, but you can certainly use it for your whole body. So great soap, and it's black, which is kind of fun. But again, with using some of these soaps, it's what the benefits are that Young Living puts in them, but it's also about what you're not using. So you're not using products with lots and lots of chemicals and synthetic things that are going to ultimately be harmful for your health in the long term. So one thing that kind of goes along with that is this Bloom brightening lotion. So you may remember last summer they came out with a new skincare line called Bloom, and part of it was the lotion, the brightening cream, and the cleanser. So I still have plenty of the brightening serum, but I have replaced the cleanser and then now replacing the lotion. So I love this line of skincare. So this is a very lightweight hydration in a moisturizing little pump here. It has lots of antioxidants in it to help minimize the appearance of future kind of age damage to skin. It's formulated with pili pulp oil directly from our Happy Pili farm in the Philippines. So the pili tree with the pili oil, pili pulp, all the different benefits have been used in skincare in Asia for a very long time. It also has ginger root extract for brightening skin and balancing the skin tone. It has Palmaria palmata maybe derived from seaweed. It's effective against photo aging and can brighten and enhance the complexion. And it has sodium carrageenan in it, which is derived from red algae, and it works to moisturize and hydrate skin and strengthen the skin's natural protective barrier. So lots of great ingredients in this that are really good for the skin now, kind of, and in the future. Another thing that's brand new for me this month that came out last summer is our liquid foundation. So Young Living is the new standard in clean beauty because there are 2,500 chemicals that they will not use in their products that are common in beauty products. So we have no chlorine, no sulfates, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no animal-derived ingredients, synthetic fragrances, synthetic dyes, and over 2,000 other things. So this is a liquid foundation for people that have been waiting for that. It's in a glass bottle. It has avocado oil in it to hydrate the skin, sunflower seed oil to add antioxidants and reduce moisture loss. It has ethically mined mica crystals to provide a radiant finish. And it has sacred sandalwood essential oil to enhance the look of healthy skin, and self-smoothing plant polymers to protect the skin, moisturize, and help create a smooth appearance and even coverage. So I have gotten really used to the Young Living mineral makeup, and I can put that on really quickly. So we'll see if I like this as much. It'll be just something new to learn. But for those that have been waiting for the liquid foundation, it's definitely here. And this is ivory, which seems to go really well with my skin. So if you're kind of judging what color, you can, maybe that's helpful, I don't know. So let's see, what else do I have here? I have 2 bottles of Thieves mouthwash because you never want to run out of this stuff. It's amazing, supports all of your teeth, gums, healthy mouth. And then 2 more products that I absolutely love as well. So we've got our Arnica Nitro here, which comes in these little tubes. So it's super fast to just drink right out of these tubes. Or you can add it to another drink if you want, but just, you can refrigerate it. You don't have to refrigerate it, just super, super easy. So Arnica Nitro is brain and body energy. It's essential oils, herbs, caffeine from green tea extract. The fruit juices that are in it are cherry, kiwi, blueberry, bilberry, blackcurrant, raspberry, cranberry, strawberry, and wolfberry. It has essential oils in it and fatty oils. It has vanilla and chocolate essential oils, and it has other oils that are good for energy boosts. It has 100% of your vitamin B12 and 50 to 100% of several other B vitamins as well. Also contains iodine. It has D-ribose, ginseng, mulberry, and choline in it. And choline plays a role in memory and muscle control, which is important. So it is does have a little bit of that natural caffeine from the green tea, so it could be a stimulant for those that need to be careful about that with their blood pressure or their heart rate. But this is a fabulous product for just keeping the mind and the body sharp. Again, incredible ingredients all packed into a small little container there. And then this is my master formula, which is our daily multivitamin, and it has a pack of 4 pills. And I just wanted to go over a little bit more of what's in this and how complete it is. So there's 2 nutrient capsules, and they have organic sources of your B vitamins, chelated minerals, which it also includes lycopene, wolfberry powder, and citrus bioflavonoids. But there's a phytocaplet that has trace minerals, gut-supporting prebiotics, fruit, vegetable, and herb extracts, plus vitamin C. Like that includes broccoli, Brussels sprouts, all kinds of extracts from really healthy foods in there. And then there's a liquid capsule that includes essential oils of cardamom, clove, fennel, and ginger, and turmeric root, which is interesting because those are all oils that support digestion, which will help you, again, get more nutrients out of your food. And then it also has fat-soluble A, E, K, and vegan vitamin D3. My understanding is that most D3 comes from lanolin, I believe it's called, which is sheep's wool. And so this is a vegan source of D3, which we usually take high doses. This is a very small amount in here, and this one actually. But again, so much of our vitamins is about absorption, not necessarily about quantity. So it's quality over quantity. But you may need to take more D3 if you need to get your D levels up. And it also includes vitamin E, and so you've got your fat in there that helps digest or helps absorb your D and your K. So also there may not be enough vitamin C in here for most people. So vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin C may be the ones that you still need to add to kind of get that full spectrum. But incredible, incredible amount of nutrients in this super handy daily multivitamin. So Hopefully I talked fast so this didn't take too long. But again, just super impressed with Young Living, the quality of the ingredients, the quality of the products, and making it easy just to get all these things in one place. I got my 5 free oils this month, which a lot of them seem to be themed around skincare, which is great. And then also I got 25% back on what I paid for in points to spend on other things that I need. So makes for a really great deal. Helps me keep things kind of in stock, kind of buying on a regular basis, so I'm not spending too much money all at one time. So if you have any questions about anything, I'm always happy to chat. Have a great rest of January. Bye.